right, we're going to configure a new order here. Start with configuring, selecting a customer here. And I am going to add a new line. Here I am going to be selecting for the configurable item. So here we're going to do visual door today. Save this configuration. And select for this line and launch configurator. Right, so we're going to go through and just make some selections for this store. So here I'm going to pick cherry, and we'll go and go with cider. And I'm going to try to change some of these other selections here. And some of these other selections are obviously already defaulted, so I will leave them as is. And I'm going to go ahead and finish configuration. So we're returning price. We have some information here regarding a quick description as to what was configured. And now we're going to take a look at the bill of materials. So we see we have a job order, we have operations, as well as the materials that have been added to this configuration. Now what we're going to do is we are going to reconfigure for the door and take a look at the BOM and see how the part numbers have changed. So let's go back into our configuration, relaunch configurator. So obviously it already saved all of our selections that we made previously. So instead of cherry, I want to pick maple. And let's go with natural. Going to change some of these construction options. Again, it retained all of the values that were already defaulted previously. I am going to go ahead and finish configuration. All right, notice how the price obviously changed with our selections. And now we're going to do the same thing and actually take a look at the manufacturing window for our bill of materials. So here we notice that the cards previously, now it's updated to maple wood. So very quick example of how a configurator just allows you to make all of your options, quickly finish the configuration, and you have the ability to go back, reconfigure, and obviously see that the bill of materials is being dynamically updated.